When it comes to warehouses and wine tanks, insulation might not be the first thing that comes to mind, but it's a critical component that can make a world of difference. Among the various insulation options available, spray foam insulation stands out as a top choice for its exceptional benefits. In this video, we'll explore why spray foam insulation is the perfect solution for warehouses and wine tanks, and how it can help you save money, improve energy efficiency, and protect your valuable assets. Energy efficiency. Warehouses and wine tanks are typically large, open spaces that can be challenging to heat or cool efficiently. Inadequate insulation can lead to temperature fluctuations, making it difficult to maintain the ideal climate conditions. Spray foam insulation, with its exceptional thermal resistance, helps create a seamless barrier against the outside elements. By maintaining stable temperatures, you not only provide a comfortable environment for your workers but also protect your wine stock. Temperature fluctuations can be detrimental to the aging process and quality of wine, making spray foam insulation a vital investment for wineries. Energy savings. It's no secret that energy costs can be a significant expense for warehouses and wineries. With spray foam insulation, you can expect substantial savings in the long run. The airtight seal created by spray foam minimizes heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. But it doesn't end there. Spray foam insulation has a longer lifespan than many other insulation materials, which means you won't have to replace or upgrade it as frequently. This durability translates to further cost savings over time. Enhance air quality. Warehouses and wineries aren't just about storage. They also involve human activity. With the constant movement of goods or people, air quality can be a concern. Spray foam insulation doesn't just regulate temperature, it also acts as an effective air barrier. By sealing off cracks and gaps in the building envelope, it keeps pollutants, allergens, and outdoor contaminants from infiltrating your indoor spaces. This creates a healthier environment for both employees and the wine aging process. Noise reduction. In busy warehouses and wineries, noise can be a constant companion. The good news is that spray foam insulation offers acoustic benefits too. Its ability to absorb and reduce sound transmission can help create a quieter and more productive workspace. For employees, this means a more comfortable and less stressful environment. In wineries, where the aging process requires peace and quiet, sound insulation is especially valuable. Seamless application. One of the standout features of spray foam insulation is its ability to fill gaps and voids seamlessly. This is especially crucial in warehouses and wineries, where irregular building shapes and structures can lead to hard-to-reach spaces. Spray foam insulation is applied as a liquid that expands to fill every nook and cranny, ensuring a continuous, airtight seal. This means there are no weak points in your insulation system, which can be a common issue with traditional insulation materials. Environmentally friendly. It is essential to consider the eco-friendliness of your insulation choice. Spray foam insulation, particularly closed-cell spray foam, is known for its green benefits. Its durability and energy-saving properties reduce the carbon footprint of your building. Additionally, many spray foam products are formulated without harmful chemicals like CFCs or HCFCs. Choosing an eco-friendly insulation solution not only saves you money but also contributes to a more sustainable future. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe and press that like button. Also, hit the bell icon, so you could never miss new updates from us. Thank you for watching, and we will meet you in the next one.